How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. Today we're going to try to load up 2 old John Deere bulldozers. We're going to try to get one of them cranked up so it can get on the actual gooseneck itself. The other one just ain't going to crank. We don't know if this one's going to crank yet or not. For those of you that are new to the channel, welcome, appreciate you. For those of you who have watched the channel often, you're thinking, where's Wiley at? Well, Wiley's tending to some personal business, and he's not with me today, but he'll be in the next one. But don't worry, he's around. He just has some things to do, and I told him, I said, really, what's your priorities, Wiley? Yeah. But for those who are new to the channel, check out some of our older videos where Wiley's in them, because me and Wiley get along. We do a lot of cool stuff together. But let me show you these John Deeres. This is a probably an early 60s model. It's a 1010, and I think they made these up to like maybe 68, something like that. It's an old 4-cylinder engine in it, and the engine's no good, the motor's no good in it, but the back half is good. So from here back is good. But as soon as I walked up to it, you can see these 2 injector lines here. Here's one and here's the other, and the injector outputs are missing here as well. So we know we're not going to be able to crank this one up, but it'll be fun to try to get it loaded up anyway. So we're pulling this thing with a big old Ford Super Duty. Got a really nice Circle W trailer on the back of it, gooseneck on the back of it. So that's what we're going to be working with today. And then this is the other one. Let me show you the other one. This is a 60s model 350 as well, and we're going to try to crank this one. It might not, I don't know, but nonetheless we'll at least get them loaded. Seems like every time I come out to one of these will it start type videos, we're putting batteries in something.
Hey, you got to get it cranked over somehow.
For those you don't know, this is my buddy Drew. If you haven't seen him, we did a cat loader together, so make sure you go back and check that out. We got all kind of help around here.
We're 1 for 1 so far. So
we are 1 for 1. We're batting 1,000.
That's right, but I don't know. Our odds are stacked against us, I think, over there. But,
yeah.
We'll make a go of it.
Yeah, that's right.
Boy, look at there, look at there. We're gonna do it better than they did at John Deere in
yes, sir.
1970 or 60 or whatever.
That's right. That's right.
Well, I need. So what they end up doing, Mr. John, about your wrench?
Boy. $50.
They charged you? My Lord. Well, I think I've got. I have a 1/2-inch drive snap-on ratchet. I looked it up on the internet. It's from the early 60s, and the gear's all wore out in it. I might just call them up about that. And I got a lot of homemade tools, Mr. John. I'm sure you do too. Sockets that I've welded together, and the other day I was showing one to somebody I'd made for a. Set it on the ground, Hank. Is that the intake there?
I got it ready.
Oh, okay.
When you turn it over.
That's a pretty neat little thing here, Mr. John. I've never used one of these. It's got a valve stem right here. So Mr. John's got a Marvel Mystery Oil in this reusable sprayer here.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it is. I've thought about them before, but I never actually had laid hands on one. But you know, reduce, reuse, recycle. So you can lessen your carbon footprint with one of these bad boys right here.
It's super important.
Yeah,
super important.
Save the ozone, man.
Yeah.
People don't really.
Don't mind our friends in China, what they do.
Yeah.
You know,
don't worry about that. Yeah, you know, it's been a long time since I heard somebody talk about the ozone. Is that still an issue?
Yeah.
Oh, you see where it goes onto the starter at. There's one solenoid. I don't see. Are you wiggling something, Mr. John, that comes through the firewall? I don't see nothing yet.
Not much to this engine, is it, Drew?
No, that's simple. Order. Oh, it comes through this. All right.
There it is.
Oh, there we go.
Boy, been snaky to bit you, Drew.
Well, ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? Well, it's about that time of year too. I've been seeing wasps as well. And
yeah.
my poor old wife, she does not like any kind of snake or vermin. You hooked up over there, Johnny?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna hook the starter up so.
Yeah, you'll be all right. It ain't got no juice on.
Quality craftsmanship like this now.
You literally look like you could be working for Hamiltonville Farm. That's the kind of work we do over here.
Yeah.
I love it. Mr. John, when did you think the last time this thing was cranked up?
Probably in 2010.
2010-ish. 10, 12 years ago. I love it. I'm excited about it.
Where'd my little wrench go? Got my hand. You ain't gonna let it get far enough. I said, now there's no lay it down. I tried to find somebody to put
steering clutch is in that 350B that
Yeah.
Eric's got. And all I have to do is get promises.
Oh yeah, yeah. Promises don't amount to much, do they?
I put clutches in this one. I said, well, ain't no difference between a B and a.
That's right.
So I pulled her down over there and $900 later.
Yeah. I can sit and listen to stories from Mr. Cook all day long. It's pretty awesome.
Yes, sir. We got another, oh, there's a hose clamp right there. So Mr. John here, he's got us a pre-made Hank Hamiltonville Farm special.
Listen, that right
Look
there,
at that.
That's my kind of
I'm talking about
mechanic right
You
there.
got a fuel filter in there and everything.
Yeah, I'm digging this already. This is my speed right here.
Mm-hmm. And I bet you Mr. John's got a wrench in his pocket to fit that, or a screwdriver. You got, or Johnny does, flathead. Look at here, hold up. Uh-oh. I guarantee you that ain't gonna be your right size. I was about to say I'd have to buy a lottery ticket.
Well,
for that
if you ain't got
one.
he's got an adjustable wrench in there. Really, that's all you need.
Yeah. Look at that little old crescent wrench.
Yeah, listen, you can't go wrong.
Yes,
Look at
sir.
that.
That'd be the perfect size for my
Listen.
helper over there.
Listen, you can't
I
go
got
wrong.
my britches on. I got my tools in the
Right? Johnny, look at all. Show Johnny how many wrenches you take.
That's what you do right there. You got a widget on it.
That's hilarious.
You'll find him somewhere. He leaves them laying on the dirt.
No,
that's right.
At 911 Cattle Company, we pride ourselves in our inventory management and
Yeah, that's
tool,
right. Listen,
and our tool placement.
it's your lie, you tell it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Did he done put that misroll in there already?
Not yet.
No, I got it over ready. So we got to get it turning over there.
Check the oil in this thing. That thing's making oil. We bypassed all that. There it is. There it is.
Here we go. Fire in the hole.
This is a first for Hamiltonville Farm. You're gonna be famous, little girl. What are you doing?
She said, Mr. Hank, I'll have to let you know I'm already famous.
Look what in the world. We taking babies to Will It Start videos.
Yes, sir. Well, of course, this ain't no special
That thing,
occasion.
she goes out and she sits on the ground everything we work on.
That is awesome.
Yeah, ever since, well, Cora's about 9 months old, and as soon as her mom went back to work from maternity leave, Cora, she's been right there with me.
That's awesome, dude.
Late nights working on equipment and riding in the woods and tractors and dump trucks, and
Yeah, she's precious, man.
she does it. And her favorite thing is to ride in the tractor and to feed cows and envelopes. She just likes a regular old envelope. All the toys in the world. So just give me an envelope.
Yeah. All right, Mr. John is bringing some alligator clips to hook up that to that, like unto that, and like unto that. Is there any fuel in that can?
A little bit.
Probably about $20 worth.
About $20 worth?
Yeah. That's the always get.
Of course. That's what you want on an airplane. You want bungee cords and
Yeah.
jumper cables on an airplane.
I've got pictures
Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's coming out right there.
Yeah.
Whoever was in charge of putting the fuel line onto the...
It's on that crooked bend, and you should have cut that paste top off of it.
I bet the man's got an angle grinder right here with top.
My,
That's all weighted, huh?
hold on, I got it. Yeah, just tighten that up a little bit and you'll get it. Flat, no, not in there, not a screwdriver.
Yeah, when we got on the road the other day, Miss Sandy.
Oh, that's not doing it. There it goes.
Miss Sandy, she knows what's going on around there. So I'm too dang sure does.
I gotta make sure I get it right before it...
And Ben and I also was on it.
All right. Try again, Mr. John. There you go. All right, Johnny, whenever you're ready.
Let me get over here, Wes.
There it is. There it is. That's all white smoke, too. No, it's in the bottom of the can.
That'd be a little luck now, Miss Sandra.
No, it's in the bottom of the can.
We just need a little luck now, Miss Sandra. It's saturated them cylinder though. There's some oil in there.
There it is. Yeah! There you go.
More of a mystery over there. A mystery no more, is it?
Come on, babe.
It's saturated in cylinder though. There's some oil in there.
Yeah, I would probably just take it out while you cranked it, and then put a new one in it when you.
Here, remember, it has no throttle because that cable
Yes, sir. It's broke.
has
Yeah, that's pretty far
froze
gone.
up and broke off, so you don't have any control.
Yes, sir. They run a piece of chicken wire up or hay baling wire up through there, and and it's big. Put a big
If you
spring
get-
on it.
If you get it loosened up good, you probably could.
Yes, sir.
But,
Yeah.
I ain't never seen a filter housing on a John Deere with that conical shaped round.
The glass bowl.
Well, I've seen glass, like on the 2440s and all, where they're square.
Yeah.
But I've never,
Oh yeah. Of course,
I've never
of course.
seen a round glass filter.
Like a
housing.
tractor.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Yeah.
I mean, even on dozers, they use the same square design
Yeah.
on a lot of them. A water separator filters here, than that one.
Yeah.
What I'll do about that, Miss Sandra, is I'll just come over one Sunday evening when it's raining or something. Me and Mr. John will get in there with that end mill, and he can show me some things. Not even as needed, just not even when it's not.
You got a hook on that side too? Hmm. There she is.
We'll pull this one straight back and just push it on the
I would assume
blade
so.
to blade.
I would assume so. Good thing we chained that blade up. Look at that. That's crazy. That's pretty awesome. That's a little dozer. It's a 1010. Yeah, that Mr. Cook, he's an awesome dude. We come out here the other week and talked to him for a little bit. Sat on his porch up there. Man, the stories that guy tells is insane. It's such a cool experience to hang out with him a little bit. Hydraulic fluid coming out of it. Wow, that's awesome. That right there is pretty doggone cool. First try. It'll run into the gooseneck.
It's never that easy to load a bulldozer.
It's insane,
Mine
man.
run
Yeah.
and
Oh, yeah.
operate. It takes longer to load.
I literally just said that before you came on. I was like, man, that's first
these
try.
Guys are gonna be like, oh, let's do all these. Just gotta just hook one time.
Yeah. I think if he would have pushed it, because it's catching on that right there. Yeah. There he goes.
Put a bolt on the other end to keep it in
Yeah.
there.
No, he's got it. He didn't give him time to move the block. The block was in the way. There you go. All right. We'll keep this one here. Yeah. Oh, good Lord. In front. You good? Now the front. There he goes. That's probably good enough, ain't it? That's good enough. I gotta move my truck. I don't trust these guys. Oh Lord.
Got a little floor jack in the truck.
Just gonna tow it back, and then so he can get room. You can't push it from the back, so he's gonna pull it out, then push it from the front. You don't want to get in between that backhoe and that. Oh yeah, good call, Mr. John. Mr. John said pull that lever back, so when he's lifting that up. Yeah, there you go. Oh good Lord. It might be catching on that. I think they're just going to take the hoses off. I think they're just going to take the hoses off, maybe. Need some liquid wrench on that bad boy or something. There you go.
It's going to come this other side of it.
Oh, yeah.
Two of them.
I think we'll put it here just in case. How's that?
All right, see if you can.
There you go. That wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
Not unless it just slipped off and that one. Or it broke. No, that worked. Yeah. Can't figure out why the blade ain't coming up. We ain't got no pressure on the lines. There you go. He's just gonna send it. Them are some hooks now. Look at, yeah. Look at the hooks on that top of that bucket. Yeah, it is now. That's awesome. That was all right there. Almost like you planned it that way. That's all right. All I gotta do now, chain them down. Got to weight a little more balanced. Johnny, you got lucky. Yeah, I hear you. They're just trying to balance the load at this point. If you was wondering what we was doing. Teamwork makes the dream work. I tell you guys what's awesome Miss Sandra over there. You know, she's old enough to be my mother. Mr. Cook, old enough to be my father, you know. Got her working, hard working too. It's awesome. Now he's gonna reposition and gonna hit it right here and push this one forward, son. And bring it back toward here. I think I'd personally just leave him be, but I think that weight is distributed good, but he don't want all that tongue weight, he said. So, I mean, let me turn that front wheel. He'll back up and then he'll push this rear end of this. Well, he might leave it be, but he might straighten it up. Oh, I think he's going to park it. So I think this is it. I'll chain this thing up and take her home. How fun is that? All right, we're getting her chain down. We'll be out of here in 20 minutes. That was that was easy. That was the easiest recovery we've done, I think. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like these ball caps, let me know in the comment section. But if you like t-shirts and things like that, we'd appreciate you supporting the channel. Hey, you guys, take care. God bless you guys. We'll see you.